San Diego. How nice of a morning is this? It is Saturday, January 27th. We are in San Diego, California in our old stomping grounds. So we were kind of up with the sun this morning, I was anyways. And it is every bit as beautiful as we remembered it out here. And it's supposed to be warm and sunny and nice sunsets and high wispy clouds, and to be honest, we can't wait because it's been so cold and gray and fluey at home that I think we're both feeling good just with some ocean air in our sinuses and some sunshine on our faces. So.
Well, and you can also see who we're missing. We're missing little Emily back home. We left her with grandparents at home so we could get away for a 4-day weekend out here and enjoy some peace and quiet before we have another little munchkin joining us in a few short weeks. I'm 33 weeks along now, so into January, we're due March 15th. Time is coming quickly, so.
Just so you know now, Dad, there will not be any bikini shots of Christy on this trip. Sorry to disappoint. We're at Fletcher Cove Park right now, one of our old favorite little beach access points. So we're gonna head down to the sand and get Christy's cankles moving a little bit. So here we go. Well, it took 2 drone flights to get pretty much verbally warned by some dude on a PA speaker. And I was flying it around and I decided to fly it up above the actual park itself, and within 30 seconds some guy was like, "Whoever's flying the drone, please land the drone. Drones are not allowed in Solana Beach." So we're gonna have to be a little stealthier with it going forward, I think. Oh God! Look at the butt on that. You having trouble picking up your legs there, Big Mama?
I can only move them so far. I got a belly to weigh.
So it's 10:40 now. There's so much daylight here. It's like we've been up forever, but it's only 10:40. It's like the most motivating thing to have sunshine in the morning here. Everybody's out walking their dogs and riding their bikes and surfing and getting stuff done. I just dropped Christy off to get her toes done. So I'm on a little solo geocaching mission real fast while she does that for 45 minutes, and I can just about see Torrey Pines State Beach. I'm gonna drive by Roberto's and give it a good sniff. Oh my God, we're at Roberto's. 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 Yes. Yes. It's so good that if there were one in Texas, I would never eat it bueno again. Yes, I just said that. So good though.
Our first home.
Torrey Ridge Apartments.
We're pulling up the hill and we're gonna go check out the first place we lived together when we were married.
We moved in here
in 2009 to 12.
So it's almost 8 years ago. Crazy. Seems like just yesterday. Things we don't miss. We don't miss living in an apartment. We don't miss having to drag our Costco groceries 100 yards if we couldn't find a parking spot.
What we do miss, having a canyon in your backyard.
Yeah, having a west-facing San Diego apartment was nice. And we had a canyon in the back. So we always saw little bunnies and occasionally some deer. And we also missed the fact that it was 65 degrees in our place every day. There was a breeze.
Breezy and 5 degrees cooler than the rest of San Diego.
The current occupants don't even have a pot by the front door. This place has gone to hell.
Can't go out.
The trees are definitely bigger than they used to be.
Yep, they block some of the view, but it's still nice.
If Christy and I ever win the lottery, that's the house we're gonna buy. It's pretty sweet.
This was one of our favorite walks when we lived here in Del Mar. We parked at 4th Street and we walked along the coast. It's so pretty. Enjoy the drone views. What a great first day. We started with a nice beach walk in the morning, Roberto's, a nap, and here we are in Del Mar on our favorite walk. So it's been a great day. Before it gets any darker, we thought we'd say goodnight, and we're gonna go get some Thai food for dinner and then call it an early night. I think we're headed up to Mount Laguna tomorrow and some apple pie. Can't wait. Ciao.